Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is B and you're welcome. So on today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you and more like an updated skincare products. So I'm going to be starting with the body. I hope you can see. For shower, this is what I use. So I just have this here. I don't have a new one. So this is Dudu Osun. This is black soap, Dudu Osun. I still use this. I've been using this, since from my other video of like what, 4 months ago. So I've been using this as shower. This is like the soap I use. I either use this or Dove. So this is the set ives exfoliating body wash sea salt. So hope you can see this. So this is the one that I am using right now. So first off, I kind of like cleanse with this, and then I go in with this one. It's quite hydrating and it kind of like cleans your skin like really well. So yes, these are the two that I use to shower. After showering, I go in with moisturizer. So this is the E45. I had shown it before alongside Bioderma in my previous video. This is the Clear Nature Original Natural Body Fairness, and this is the Extra Maxing Plus. It was my sister that actually got this. She was using this and then she came visiting and she left it. So I was like, and it's still like here. It's still up to here, so I'm not gonna like throw it away. And I was like, you know what, let me try this. I've not used any other brand of Clear Nature since I have been using this one. I don't even use it all over my body. I only use it in the areas that I have excess melanin, like my knee and elbow. Those are the places I usually like apply it. So I've been using baby oil for a while. In my last video, I had shown this Neutrogena and also this as well, but I've been using more of this baby oil now for some reason. I kind of like it, this and Neutrogena. So when I moisturize with this E45, I kind of like seal it in with any of those oils. That's all I use for my body. Okay, that's it here. For my face, this baby is quite more than the other one. So starting off with cleansing, I go in with the oil. This is simple hydrating cleansing oil. Obviously, if you wear makeup or you wear a lot of sunscreen, you would need to have this cleansing oil. This is CereVe SA Sunty Cleanser. This is for dry, rough and bumpy skin. It has salicylic acid. Obviously it has the SA in it. Kind of like helped me because I break out a lot, and I've been using this since January, and this is like the second bottle I have gotten. So it depends on how you use yours. Mine lasts for a while. So yes, so CeraVe SA Soothing Cleanser works for me because I am acne prone plus normal to dry. So this is what I use. So I originally got this Dreamwhite. I actually got it because it has collagen and plus it's anti-aging. So I just felt, you know what, why not try it out? And yeah, so this is how much I've used on it. So that's that for toner. And this is the other toner that I have. This is the Pixi Glow Glycolic Acid. It's an exfoliating toner to exfoliate the skin, remove dead skin from your skin. So I've been using this way back since last year, early last year, I guess. So that's that for toners. And for serums, these are the serums. These two you've seen before. This one I recently just got it because I haven't used vitamin C in a while and I felt I should get it, and I wanted to start just something I would just start gradually. So this is the Dr. Rashel vitamin C brightening and anti-aging face serum. So do I have anything to say about it? Well, I guess my skin does. So yeah, so I use this, and then this is the ordinary. This ordinary I think is way too long now, so but it's remaining small. I've had it for more than 6 months, so I'm not actually using it, but it's still here. So this is the TIAM Vitamin B Source Niacinamide. So this is also the, I've shown this before in the previous video. So yeah, I still have this to help brighten my skin. This is the Acretin. I just got these Acretin. I've shown it before. It's a retinol, is what I use for my acne. I use it to spot treat. It's life-saving. I still call it life-saving basically. So because it's literally changed a lot, you know, about my skin, about my acne. It literally works for me, and I just live by this. This is what it looks like, okay, out in the park. And little goes a long way. They usually last me 4 months, depending on how much I use on my face. So if you have recurring acne and you don't know what to use, Aqua is here for you. Try it out and thank me later. So for moisturizer, I usually use the CosRX moisturizer, but last time I went to the shop I didn't see it, so I got this one. This is the simple moisturizer. I don't know if I will purchase it again. Might likely just go back to CosRX because it's more hydrating and more soothing on my skin. But then again, I needed a moisturizer. I just didn't want to stay without moisturizing, so I got that. I have the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. So this essence obviously is what I use to add in hydration. Love it, be loving it. Will I buy it again? Yes, of course, because this literally like help calms my face, you know, when I'm giving myself down pamper after a long day. I don't miss this. Morning and night, it goes in all my routine. Skin Aqua. I love this because it doesn't leave white cast. It's hydrating and kind of like works for me, you know. Just little goes a long way. It's just like I'm not over, you know. Skin Aqua, yeah, it's quite soothing, hydrating, no white cast. So yeah, this is it. This is the last but not the least for vitamins. So this is Healthy You, the women's formula by Nature's Field. Let me just read, you know, what this says here. That it's a multivitamin, multi-mineral, antioxidant with green tea. It has chaseberry. It works for literally everything, like basically everything from your vaginal health to your breast, literally everything. It's not okay to just take one vitamin. Like when you're taking vitamin C, you're leaving all the other vitamins. You need everything. You need all of it put together, you know? Have them all in one. So get Healthy You, the woman's formula by Nature's Field. This is everything that I'm using, and as you can see, my skin is still popping, if I should say so myself. I'm not using too much. I might actually this time do a video morning and nighttime routine, so look out. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe so that you get a notification when next I post a video. Thank you so much and see you on my next video. Bye.